the Lord turned the captivity of Zion, they were like them that dream. That said they read it. The Lord has done a great thing to her. In the mighty name. Shebi, you tell me, make I count my blessing one by one, that I will be surprised to see what the Lord has done. Now you have taken away my sorrows and turned me to joy. Heaven and earth will bear me witness. I'm so grateful. Say, my darling sister, everybody say, Chindios, brother, they get it like you. Jesus, thank you, sister. Go see him. See, I don't know who's terrible. Say yo, on the Burumo. Jesus, see Jesus, Jesus, tell this God, tell this God, but you are gonna room, I don't want to be. What did it cut a good miri? What did it cut a good miri? What is a mood? Oh, yeah, Chubby, see, I get it like you, but them not they walk. Jesus, where is he? Jesus, Ambassador Bonotigie, see, I don't know that which is Jesus, I know that Burugi, Chimle, Okurode Nabagegu, Jesus, check on the Burubo. Are you ready? In the memory of our daddy, let's Reverend Patti Obasi. My brother, yeah, when they won't no get you, Okay, chukuri, big you no man, that's easier. Anambra State, okay, chukuri, Abambochi, it's you was here, daddy, daddy's ochi, Amaram, Ogadi call it today. Ogadi call it. Okay, get time to be with you, Dad. Ogadi call it. One more time and we are out. Ogadi call it. Ogadi call it. Let me in. Are you ready? Jesus, na boro chasi ibasara ya bayoti abonye baturu wago nonura o wago kule agbagaloso wago kule agbagaloso wago oibeba aya obeba oberiwo